How to unarchive story on Instagram before 24 hours. Hey there! Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to unarchive a story on Instagram before the 24-hour limit. If you've accidentally hidden or archived a story and want it back ASAP, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. From the menu, select Archive. By default, this shows your archived stories. If you want to unarchive a story before 24 hours, you actually can't because Instagram doesn't allow archiving within that time frame. However, what you might be looking for is to check or repost a story that's still active. If your story is still within the 24-hour period, here's what you can do instead. Tap on your story and select the three dots at the bottom right. From there, you can add highlights or share it directly without waiting for it to archive. That's it. Instagram handles story archiving automatically after 24 hours, so there's no way to manually archive or unarchive within that time. If this video cleared up your questions, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech solutions. See you in the next one.